This Moodle activity is called a quiz. Your professor may use this for quizzes, tests, exams, or ungraded review. Before you take a quiz, you will want to read all of the instructions. The quiz page should tell you when the quiz is due, how long you have to take it once you start an attempt, and how many attempts are allowed. To begin taking a quiz, click the Attempt Quiz button. Then click Start Attempt. Within the quiz, you can navigate between questions by clicking the Next Page button, or by opening the right side block drawer and clicking the different numbered boxes under Quiz Navigation. You can close the block drawer by clicking the X, and you can open it again by clicking the Open tab, depending on if you prefer to see its details during the quiz. You can also flag a question if you would like to come back to it before you finish your quiz attempt. Make sure to read each question carefully. The most common question types you'll find in a quiz are multiple choice, short answer, and essay questions. For multiple choice questions, select the circle with the correct answer. Look out for tricky wording or all of these choices and none of these choices answer options. These questions will be automatically graded at the end of your quiz. For short answer questions, you will need to type out the exact answer with correct spelling and capitalization in order to get it right, as this will also be automatically graded. For essay questions, you will have a text box in which you can type out your full answer. Essay questions will not be automatically graded at the end of your quiz. Instead, your professor will manually grade them at a later time. When you are finished with a quiz, you must click Finish Attempt. You can review your answers, at which point you may go back to questions by clicking Return to Attempt. Or you can submit your answers by clicking Submit All and Finish. Depending on your professor's settings for the quiz, you may or may not be able to see the correct answers afterwards. If you need accommodations for a quiz, such as a longer amount of time for your attempt or a different due date, contact your professor as soon as possible. Need more help? For technical support, contact the e-LIS support team by clicking the Get Help button at the top of any Moodle page.